Ever got a hot tip on crypto? Those were my favorite. Cryptocurrencies are digital tokens that use a ledger spread across many computers on the internet to record who owns them. They call it a blockchain, but there are other ways to get on board. My friends were using online network marketing crypto platforms and bragging about their crazy returns every time they signed someone up. So I joined and started looking for new recruits too. I was on my way, and then the website just disappeared, along with my cash. I should have done my research and made sure I was trading on a registered platform. But I invested anyways, because I was letting FOMO be my guide. Here I was on the first day, and on the last day, when I realized I learned how to make great craft beer by using reliable sources of information, learning the process, choosing great ingredients, and knowing when it's okay to experiment. Turns out, that's a recipe for success, in brewing and in money. Don't be me. Brewing up a nice little portfolio starts by following the right recipe.